1% daily return. Hey guys, this is Mehdi at Choosing Options. Today is Wednesday, August 29th. This video is about how to make money from options, which is actually the follow-up video on an earlier trade that we put on. I have to look in the details of it, but it was on CVX. Specifically, I should say, Strangle Options. Well, let's see. See, here we go. This trade was put on August 10th, and today is the 29th. It was a 110, 130 strangle. We collected 79 cents. Today we bought it back at 16 cents. Let's do the math here. 79 minus 16. %, profit. I know earlier in the title I said 1% per day, or like 1% daily return. However, let's just do the math. It's August 10th through the 19th, or 29th, as I should say. It's 19 days. So that's better than 4% a day. A lot better than 1%. Selling options could be extremely profitable. Especially my favorite is selling strangles or shorting strangles. I've been doing this videos on YouTube for, I would say, maybe April, May. And the only loss we had was on Disney right here. This one, Macy's, we had to close the trade early because it took too long. The earnings was coming up. I think we closed this one day before earning, but we didn't lose much on it. Let's see. I think we lost only here $78. I don't like to lose more than $300 a trade. So this Disney triggered it and we closed out. I mean, $300 is my goal. I mean, yours could be $100, $50, $200, $2,000. Everybody's limit is different. Up here, I'm gonna put my playlist. If you click here, it'll show you all the videos that I put out on YouTube for all the opening and closing positions and how much we made on every position that we closed so far. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email or text me, type something at the bottom of this video, or subscribe. I'd like to also add that you should place all these orders in your paper account. It's going to take a while before you get a hang of this. Just follow me on these trades and just do them in your paper account. Trade a lot, find your own trades. Let me know if you have any question about any of the stocks or ETFs. And I try to put out as many videos as I can so you guys can follow. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy trading and talk to you soon.